Right now I'm in Jamaica. Where are you?
What, baby? What's up, fella? You have to say, ah. Yes. Look at those foot. Y'all who always back. This is Mama original husband. Enough money for that breeder. Cocky. Let it go. Let it go. Livy have a little pit bull right here, so.
He's a German Shepherd, babe.
That banga around. Yes, guy, put some banga, Mary.
Blue.
You see, if you strip off the leaf, break the leaves like that, right down to the roots, and boil them, good for bone and giant pain.
We have a little pit bull right here, so. Or it's a German Shepherd.
He's a German Shepherd, babe. My eggs mistake. That's not pit bull. So yeah, we're about to look on the biggest white fowl, the biggest chicken you ever see. I never see a chicken so big, so I don't even know did it get big like that. I know turkeys get big, but I didn't know chickens that get big. So we're gonna go look at it now.
We'll make it turn up, guys. Guys, open this wide for me. See that? Big. Look at those foot.
Oh my God, makes her see the foot.
You see that? That's huge. It's different type of white fowl. Eh? Different type of white fowl.
Your mother would have loved them foot, right?
So you think about the white fowl, bro? Huh?
I hope it stay away from Mama Lore. That's all I have to
God, the
say.
foot then will be curry or stew peas. Not lucky, just push it up. And twist the nail up, that's all. So guys, we have some grass we go by the house. Big up to my father, guys. That's my father. The man that take care of me from a barn. I think so. Father, friend, so. Family, all our way of family, so. Say me, Pops, what going?
I'm here,
You here?
presumably.
Father, you know, guys. Real general, you see me? So, them my grass, one of my father friend. Just up and give me some grass to finish planting on my yard. Understand? It's a blessing, you know, when you have good people. Hold on. I don't know Madam Joe over here, sorry, the guys. One Madam Joe on the app. See me?
Don't know, no, one Dan, one Madam Joe, is it? Yeah. None other, is it?
One.
Good dog.
Matter whether you think my father all guys. A man are born for work here, man. Duck hands. One day if none in that. I don't want no duck hands in that one that you're carrying.
Last week, shake your bumpy.
A duck hands.
Straight out the duck hands.
Duck hands in there?
Yeah.
Well, left it, nobody carry.
That's it.
So that's my father.
Yes, I'm here.
New Year's and I'm with my pops.
I am.
Everything good?
Out the road, we say. You're so nice.
Mama Laura husband, this guys. For y'all who always ask, this is Mama Laura original husband from 1962.
A little while out.
40 years, over 40 years strong, eh?
Yes. You could have get out too.
Then grass are expensive, guys. Let me tell you, say, my front yard, I watch it. Cost me money, but pops friends say, yeah, well. Yeah, man, everybody where you see around from family, from picnic days, years in Delvin.
I'm going to tell you damn so you know. You're funny, we in there first. I'm here to tell you about them. And that, huh?
I never know, babe.
So you never get grass before?
No, babe. I always buy it and deliver it, remember?
Yeah, you should have known.
Look for me baby, a boss. I like it. I like her and love her in a one time, you see, guys. Look for me baby. Boy, party everywhere me and her there. Not only a passenger princess, but a aircraft princess. You know, seat 20D. No, we're not there so far. Seat 3. Window seat our E. Girl alone no want. People, girls alone no want to go in a car, okay? They don't want to go Miami alone. They want to fly out. Come burn up themselves in the summer. Come baby, a sweat. No pimple on face. Clear up. Get her Jamaica, come clear her up. And renew our lease. Listen. What y'all get for me, Pops?
Jolly.
Coconut water. Authentic coconut water.
Idea.
You might get ready. Good, I'll get ready. A family up there, saying, guys.
Yeah, man.
Family from your youth.
Yeah.
From your baby. Family, man. Yeah, man. My father go look some. Hey, Pops. Nobody, make sure you be safe. You safe on the tree, you know. Yeah?
See this? It named the pineapple head, at the head of the pineapple list. You see, if you strip off the leaf, break the leaves like that, right down to the root, and boil them, it's good for bone and joint pain.
So you boil that?
Yeah, we recommend this for the athlete then. Enough of them sitting here using boat and drinking, because they come from country, they know them things, Shelly and them. You see it? So this, the pineapple head. Just strip the leaf and boil it and drink it, not tea.
Just make it boil.
Yeah, man. Boil so it turn color.
Alright.
Good for you.
Yeah? Leather, car, sweet party, come look. Sweet party bunch there.
Let
me know Andrew, man. See there, yeah, bunch. Yeah. I have bunch of way down, like take them.
Jamaica, guys.
I flew my nose, so I jump up in the air and chop
What do you mean?
So which one? Oh, the one there. Okay, guys, so that's where I go.
You see me, I don't know, side boy, you know.
No, me and Joe Par, man. Me and Pang Par, you know, from St. Elizabeth.
All up on my farm.
Everywhere with the Andrew. Everywhere. Oh God, we need to do that again, you know, Pang. We'll do it one time when we now work and not work where we work. We just a drive. So guys, see it there. Fresh off the tree, not in the bottle. Beautiful. It's beautiful. From this view, I don't know if you feel the breeze. Guys, we're gonna see if Andrew skill again.
The lowest, nothing. I flow, I throw away a flow, yeah?
Bad. Man,
You see your man that I tell you.
I think last year I find out say Andrew in the 50s, because I don't think say Andrew.
Last week, Monday, I have 55, man.
55.
Last week, Monday,
With 55-year-old in America can fly up in a one tree like that. Nobody can tell me nothing.
Yeah.
Healing. Allow me to tell father. Foreign just slow you up to run.
Listen, shall I get on card?
I'm tight.
Yeah, card them all drop off.
And we know on the road we go down, so you know. One when
Card the box, man.
on the day we got any card down.
So guys, what you say, you get a card?
You got card.
Hold on, yes. Hold pang phone. Hold pang phone too.
You know, I have to chop you off and make you roll, man.
What, go pay?
Yeah, man, I got a free card.
What for you card? So guys, we'll get one card for when in Choppy Bunch. It's a bunch of jelly my family give me, you know. So who can tell me if we sell out Jamaica?
Yeah.
Oh God, man. Nobody can't get me if we sell out here, so Impang.
You,
Nobody can't get if we sell out here, so.
where? Yard? Yard, you know, you know.
Nobody, man. America, no neighbor not to do this.
Cool, man.
No family not to do this.
One time, Duffy back got foreign, and when Duffy back come back and say, you I live good with Jamaican people, you know.
Yeah.
Come me there foreign for 8 months now, I don't see my neighbor, you know.
Alright.
None tall, you know.
A real thing. I say you go. Me don't know my neighbor them like that.
Man say, you know, see neighbor them, brother. None tall.
Lime tree in our backyard. You see that? It's a lime here. We don't buy it in a Bravos or a Walmart. Straight from our backyard. See it? So guys, we're waiting on a rope. And this is just in my father friend and my family too. Backyard, yeah? When you're there Jamaica, you can't hungry. You can't hungry. Hockey tree. Anton? Yeah, over there so. Why pang there? A wire. See that piece of wire there, guys?
Just hold it and dry, straighten it out.
Straighten it out.
Just dry. Good. Alright. And you let it down in that.
Alright.
I hold you and let it down when you understand?
And you have to let it down in
But
that.
mine is dry up in the chain.
Where's it?
Mine is dry up and make your foot hang off. Not one bump on the end.
Anyway, we got this one. So you tie good enough punk, I hold on pan you know.
Alright, take your time. Somebody go hold the bunch.
Galang road there,
Take your
bro.
time, let it down, let it down. Let it down. Let it down, let it down.
Yeah, you see it, youth?
See that? 100 pound pan you up. Why you look like this?
Where do you chop up there?
Wire inches. Alright. Dry it out of the tree.
Alright.
People, that's how we do it in Jamaica, okay?
You're here.
This is how we juggle
In Jamaica.
in Jamaica.
Oh, yeah, so nice.
Right here. 5-year-old.
55-year-old.
Last week Monday.
Andrew Pang.
22nd of December.
22nd, Andrew?
Yeah, man.
So me and you born in December, Andrew?
Yeah, yeah.
And the first. People, it's a good look. You see that? Fresh coconut water. Half a tree. Okay guys, so Olivia go drink some coconut water, wash off her heart. Because you know Olivia kind of
I kind of want.
clean, too clean.
Alright, there we go.
Go on.
Thank you. God, I can't.
Wash off your hat, baby. You have to say, ah. Yes.
Say that no easy.
Yeah, I was so go on again, baby.
Yeah, sure.
You have to remember if you do that, baby.
One more time.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Now you say, man.
All right.
Come on, da.
One.
She said, all the while, but if you don't know if you are your cousin. You're not talk. She a tell me about one Dan man.
Yeah, then what?
She wanna talk all the while and all Christian talk. That's what Chris. At a while? Yes, and she have 2 daughters. So you boy big bumpy.
I mean, a big man, man.
And the 2 girls are 2 big girls. Girl, they're my first one. Me not kind of grown, you know.
Meeting of that?
Yes, let me. Yeah, then me you see me there, I move out. I set up the clay.
My second one.
I just burped. Sorry, guys.
Just burp. Sorry to guys.
You did?
Yes, guys.
I didn't hear it.
Oh my God. Up on my belly. Babe,
Baby, it always looks like.
can't waste this. If it was a soda, yes, but that's a coconut.
That's a ripper. Don't know where you're there. And then please, no, me no.
There's a lot.
Then me walk in my cave. No. Then you. But I water, I think. The coconut water.
Not your foot.
So the grass for the house.
Come down to labor.
Yup.
What about your chang, man? I jelly heavy, you know.
What living?
What, baby? Baby, just like that? Regular, she lift me up and slam me down the ground, you know? Humble myself, man. Can't fight you, though, man.
No, we have put everything. You know, pass the forest, you could have got that. You could have fight to fear them. Come put this one. Now, look to here. What do we have? Oh.
If we have a piece of rope, we could have.
Make time to go. No, make. Yes, that's something I tell you. Move it on. Move it on. Dry up.
And live it.
Come on. How can you put the jelly in?
From a boot workplace, in idea, be a man come full of one load. And when the man I say, You left me put there and say put your bumbo clock down here and say
Yeah.
yes man. So I said in a day, you know.
Oh God, man. Jaja.
Don't take where the man go with them.
I'm not threatening. I'm
Not
not.
threatening say things come there and kill.
Oh God, man. Lately?
In a last year. Last year.
Jaja.
I would just tell you what I want for near which place it happening, you know.
So you say when them not take away your tomato down there so not bust up shot?
And then start bust up some shot.
Well, man, if you debut with a bigger gun and Tony on pan them.
Me not tell you.
5-6 rifleman down the road and whip on them.
Eh?
See, our 5-6 rifleman should have down the road and whip on them.
And just do what them a do and just take away, you know?
You know, I cut this up. Run up here, one.
No, look at the clip. I want to do one. And you see when you plant the grass, them, if no rain up all, it's the water them, you know.
That's people we are do. This is the real life, you know. One heap of grass, we'll put them down there even and water them up. And do the right thing. She have a kitchen inside, guys, but for some reason, Mama love her outside kitchen, right, Mommy?
Yeah.
That's one.
Mommy, they want to see your face, Mama Laura. Mama Laura. Anyway, guys, leave you out this eat.
It's good.
Yes,
I
guys.
eat him fish and yam.
What kind of fish I eat, babe?
I gonna say it wrong on purpose.
What kind of fish I eat? What Mama?
Banga Mary.
Not bangarang. Yes, guys, me cook some banga Mary with some yellow and 2 cocoa and some okra, okay? You want some? New Year, you want some, guy? Roping.
Tell your fans them Happy New Year, Mommy. Look in the camera and tell them.
Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year. And my niece, them that meet me in Orcharias. One in Aberdashery and one in the party place. Bless up my nieces, okay?
So what will you speak in Jamaica?
Oh, sometimes you have to just do a thing, guys. But bless up on yourself, okay? And big up my niece, them. One when me see in a Aberdashery, I watch you, and one in a juicy beef patty, I watch you. All of my niece, them. Big up on yourself. Happy New Year. And, you know, we have to just do a thing.
Okay, guys, so Olivia over there, so living her best life.
It is very good.
Eating the bangarang fish.
I had eat this the first time I come. No, the second time.
When my father cook it for you.
Yeah.
You enjoy
Very
it?
good. I love it. It's yummy.
Come on, girl.
Take your time face out.
That's good. I have to feed living, you know. To just get my focus.
No, I'm sorry, one time.
Huh?
No, I'm sorry.
So you have sorrel?
No, come.
Alright. Mama Laura,
Hello?
your food was really good, Mama Laura.
Very good.
Yeah.
10 out of 10. I feel sorry for the banger rum.
Banga Mary, Banga Ram.
Guys,
Love ya.
Mm.
Every time you call every time you call where you cook Banga Mary and rice.
But I like it better than the kingfish.
Yeah.
Why I like how kingfish here? Slice fish?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So, mommy, you eat already?
Yeah.
I know say if you not eat, you will trim, bro.
Me eat long time. As we don't cook meat, make one cup of lemon tea. Something there. Squeeze one lemon in there. Yeah, work off the belly fat.
On YouTube, you see that pan?
TikTok?
TikTok. That me find out, mommy know a TikTok of them more than me. Husband and wife, the guys.
Jai Hapoya.
As it come off of fire.
Let's leave it gone left way. One leave it on the app. Okay guys, living knocked out. She knocked out. Everybody back. Let's say, you see me? I pull up in the house in like 3 minutes. Okay guys, so we reach a watch. Okay. You see me and Dave the right there, so.
Yeah.
You see me, that a Dave, you see me. From your youth.
Yeah.
Man, I know me from your baby. Alright, so hands up in this, so. I'm kind of half flow, so. In one walk, because I know him, you know. But it a drizzle a little bit, see it there? It wet. In one walk, but you don't want to get worse. Indeed, they play with something. Hands with that man. We don't want to get no sicker. Guess who around there, so? Pops. Tell everybody nothing like no father. Hear that, nothing like no parents. The rain and my father that even feel so good. And the boss say I have to do it right now, cause you see me. Cause the time wet and I know if we plant the grass them. And so we're there. Yeah, me have some liquor. So I know a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, me say. Oh, me see it, you see. That yeah, me say that. I was catch already, you know. Away pipe here.
Do you hear water run?
No, see it right, yes sir.
Oh, okay.
You know what, joking.
So guys, there we stab a pipe to rot. You see that? Stab a pipe. That's how it goes still. But the work must go on, not true? In Dave? No say go.
I will answer what they don't see you look at what I'm go for the man come and fix back that, you see.
And me and my land guy go pull up any second now, come fix it. Come on. I am stab it right there, so guys, my father. Joke, guys.
No problem, because me there dig on in Kentucky Park for the old daddy, yeah? And go stab the pipe in the heart.
Yes, guys, I mean stab the pipe. I was digging. Me know me just left my father to do it. That's how I go when you're enough. Enough for that to get.
What they doing, keep on